Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to another brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna do my first unboxing review about a DX2 stunt drone. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. So let's get started. So DX2 is a quadcopter drone and it's small. So guys, in the box we can see all information about this drone. Also guys, this drone is rechargeable. Uh, we can see here the main three features, and in this drone we have auto orientation, auto landing, and also 360-degree stunt rolls. You can see here this is the remote uh, the looks like what it looks like. And we also have bonus removal blade guards, and it also includes 4 replacement plates. In the drone we have 4 built-in LED lights, and this is what the drone looks like. You can see the drone from here too, and also you can see the features, all the features, and the remote control looks like. I'm gonna start unboxing from this side so you guys can see it. Let's open it. Okay. So this is what we have inside: controller, drone, some blades, and instruction manual, and also silica gel packet. This is the drone. It's really small. And this is the remote control. In the box we have English and French instruction manual, a nice remote controller, and a tiny drone, a charging cable, 4 replacement blades, in the remote controller we can see before flying, read instruction manual, and also visit website. It's their website, so you can get some ideas from that how to use this. And these are joystick, up and down, and yeah, you can spin from that too, that joystick. And the other joystick is to turn left, right, and you can go forward, backward, left, right, and the on off button. You can trim your direction from those buttons. If it's going too much forward, you can change it. You can change that from the direction trim buttons. And the other one is land and auto orientation 2 buttons, and spin trim. If it's spinning too much, you can change that from those spin trim buttons. And the best part of the drone is stunt mode, and that's what it looks like, the button. So also we have the logo DX2. So this is the drone, looks like nice black color and 4 propellers and the DX2 logo, title, and this is a charging place, you can plug it, and also we have the turn off, turn on button. So these are for LED lights, blue and red. I'm gonna turn it on, drone and the controller. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys can help me to grow this channel by pressing subscribe button, hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends.